Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka BJP Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Morcha henne kasni kalarakhe karpang ya ka Women's Day celebration ha ka office trekam jongka ha ka ba ha ka ne kasni kilapin ko burom ya ki longkme ki bayele ka sports ki ba sengkam la jong bat ki wei ha ka ne kasni la ya don lang ru na do u state president u Rickman Moment unong aiktien ka BJP uba M Kharkrang ka state president jong ka Mahila Morcha ka kong arena hnyota bat ki wei Haba Kren hakani kasni na kalyang ka president jong ka BJP Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Morcha ka kong arena hnyota kalapan remjor ya ka Jingshah Thombor jong ka wei ka meiet hariboy hakini ki khndiat sni ka kong hnyota kalaong ba kalapong da karyam ka bayong bat penpau ya ka Jingshah diaw namar ka Jingshah Thombor jong ki Kynthei Jingrakhe ya ka ne kasni namar ngithrang banlum banlang ya ki Kynthei jong ka jilla banyetrei lang bat banya kershan lang iwe pat kalaban rap ru ba ka seng ka thrang ban ithu ya ki tu kilong kme ki ba wan ra nam ya ka jilla la ka deiling ba ka kam mele kai ne ka sengkam sengjam ka jongki ka ba ai jing min to ya ki pat ba bat ai Mynsiem ya ki wei ban tre shitom na kalyang ka DSP ka kong joyti walang kalakran ha ka ne kasni Halor ki an khamtam ha ka dei bat ka pokso ka Jingshah Thombor persha ya ki Kynthei kalakiu na ka wei kasni sha ka wei pat ha East Khasi Hills ngidon palat prapu ar lak ki nong shong shnong bat ki pulet Kynthei ki duna bha ha ka jilla na ka prapu ar lak ki pat ba ngidon tang chiphongot ki pulet Kynthei ha ka district kini ki pulet ki haban pet ye ki Haba ya dei bar ka Jingshah Thombor jong ki Kynthei bat ki khna shu ka kong joyti ka laong ba ngikular bangin om shong that ka laong ru ba kum ka nong pet ya ka long kaman ka suk ka san kadon kami ki pat ba bane trei lang ba lada ki tanat ba pher kim ye trei lang kan e shibun ya ka tanat pulet ba kan trei marwai ka kong walang ka laben rap da ka baong ba kumnu ki ai Jingshakri ya ki pat ba kum ka pulet officer ka ai ka Jingshakri ki pat ba lada ki pat ba ki ujor shaki ya ka e ka ba ki ya kendo kalong babun ki pat ba ki ujor ban ai FIR ki habban siu pisa kane kamlong shu kumta haman ki police station kadon ka jaka ai jingirap kerpang ya ki Kynthei wan chakmat ban ujor khnang bakin la ban ai ka jingkershan ban yarap ya phi haba phi kendo jing e kalong ka kong walang kalalung Mynsiem haba ya kendo ya ka Jingshah ha ka baide bat ka wei kalong kame ka balatu ya ka mobile bat ka laptop bat ka an kam sha ai ki pulet bakin kem brio ha ka por met kham tam ye ki Kynthei kalong ba katanat ka ya trei lang bat ki tanat ba pher bat ya ka ni kalong kme ki lara ha shelter home ha ka ba ha ka jing tokit kala ya thu ba kadon ka jing thmu bakla le ya ka ni ka kam ban let shajil bat haba ya Kren bat shong bat ban kli bnia kala ya thu ba kala don bat ulok la palat khat san snem ban pet ban sumari u henry kamyo jing suk ha ka Mynsiem jongka namar ulok jongka ulong unong di bat hadien bola shitom bat omla ashu banyat banyen ka hab ban pet bat sumar ya u bat kam don ya ka kamai ka ji ban penbyang ka kong walang kalakem tu ya ki long kme ban mi shakhmat bat ban pindon kam ya u number iwe ar haba ki ma ya ki no ki Jingshah Thombor
Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Haba nagyo ban Kren ya imat iba kongsan kung kata kanong yalam ka ba khmat e jong ka jilla Meghalaya na ai kublay ya isar Rickman ibadei ita inong yalam ba khmat e jong ka BJP ba ya ka state president kublay sa ba pinaay gani ka bantaya nga ba ngan di siya khmat ba ngan yo mantray naman tayo kilong kami but ya isa khakram ru iba juya tray lang nakapor siya kapor ban kintiw ya kadi ba kajag bandriyo hake imlang kasala but kumjuro ya i sa debit kasati long ba nginya kren rus ngoleran kam syong singan syu kata ka jella ka jongi bangi iba kahaga kerta ka ba ndriyo pundriyo snemru idang syak Thombor deka dia kadai ka jing ai jing skolem bat ke jing pendram jor jonga kum ka wei ni kinong yalam jong ka jella ka ba khaman ba mentara siya bong da karyam ka bayong ka peniya kata ka jing sno diaw bangi Kynthei ngila sya kata ka Jingshah banbe kawai Jingrakhe ya kadai ka sngi ba nginlong nginlang ya kita kilong kebe jong ka jella jongi ba ngin ya tray lang ngin ya mi lang ban nginlong ki bakloy ban nyat umat jong iwei pa iwei te kung kanong yalam ka ba khmat para bang nga jubo kata ka kentien ka baong ka jing habrio jong ka Kynthei bangin ya senrang bangin ya kentio bangin ya kesyan bangin ya umat ba markelian te shibon nga numla ban kren kidang kinong kren ki ban kren sa khmat te ngamdan ni ai ban ai hoy ngin pediang burong ya kita ki balawan ra ya kanam ka jella ya ka ba nginang ni na po i state ibaret ki jongi banwan ra ya kata kanam siapa jong ka ri ka ba kumbaong na po kami halaya pag ikong kumoy walang ibadai haga kerta ka bala he ndrei idang mi ban ya le banwan ra ya kanam jong ka jella bagun lagi baterai ya kita ki bakila sengi ki kamla jong kumbon handi kiwan kiba sengi ki kamla jong kilong kemi ki blaya rekat kedang bat kirang ba ban lom ban lang ya kayeng ban kentir ya kayeng kasem dengan so ga ai kublay ya ki baki wan poy akan di program hoy dan ki bangla ban poy ki certificate ki la pembiang te wat bat bat hoy ya kata kum kanong yalam na ai kitbok ki biang ya pi baro ban ni ya trailang da ka jingit da ka jingya burong mamar biang bat ka jingya pili ban ni long ki bakloy banyak markelian tetapi ini kintian kublay shibon
celebrate the achievements of women, but also to reaffirm our collective responsibility to the and to ensure dignity, safety, and equal opportunity for every woman in our society. Women are the backbone of our families, our communities, and our nations. Their strength, resilience, and compassion inspired us every day. Yet, we must acknowledge the challenges remain, whether in the form of violence, discrimination, or lack of representation. I am deeply honored to share this stage with Srimati Jyoti Walang, who represent courage and discipline in service to the people, and Srimati Ravina Suba, whose expertise in the POSCO Act reminds us of urgent need to protect our children and empower mothers and daughters alike. It is a symbol of the leadership and wisdom that women bring to every sphere of life. As a party and as a people, we must commit ourselves to building a Meghalaya and a Bharat where women work freely, speak boldly, and lead proudly. Let these days be not just a celebration, but a call to action, to strengthen laws, to nurture education, and to create opportunity that honor the immense potential of our women. On behalf of the BJP Meghalaya Pradesh, I extend my heartfelt respect and gratitude to all women. May we continue to work together for a society where equality is not just promise but practice. Jai Hind.
Regarding safety of women and children in the state, but the most common laws we have here with this very stringent, that is the POCSO law. So we have, as you know, POCSO law, crime against women, is increasing day by day. In East Khasi Hills, we are having more than 82 lakhs of populations, which is, but the police, sir is very much here, so I hope he take the message also to their because we are having very less women police in the state. Out of 82 lakhs of people, we are having only 10 women police in the district. So these 10 women police, they are attending to all the crime against relating to women and children. So it is a challenging job, but I stand here and I give my commitment that we will not give up. And being a law enforcement, it is not only that I should enforce law, but my primary duty is to win the heart of the people and the confidence of the people at large. Then only we can do something good. Only police force, they cannot do anything. Unless and until the public, unless and until the other department, they are with us, we will not be able to walk alone. So I urge all the people, I'm happy that, still quite a number of people have attended this program, but I wish more people from rural areas, they join this program, because this is the only platform where I can give the people at the ground level what are the roles and responsibility of a police officer and how will they approach us whenever they need us. That is the most important thing which I want to emphasize at this point of time, that people should come to us with an open heart, with confidence that yes, you are there for us, so I should go to you and I will definitely get help. So first of all, before I explain the role and responsibility of a police, I feel that you people, you are the people who put us in motion. If it is not for the public, we would not have been sitting in the office. We would not have been appointed as a police officer also. It is because you need us, that is why we are being appointed to serve you people. So now how do I serve you? How do I serve you? I wear my 3-star, my officers, my policemen, they are all on the road, but how do I serve you? It is only, serving comes only when you report the case to us, right? If you don't report to us, we cannot just enter somebody's house and tell, hey, you are having problem, you tell me. So it is only when the case is reported to us, then only we are put into motion. So how it is reported, I just want to emphasize on 2 important things which people nowadays, they feel that when we go to police station, it is very scary. Or do we have to pay money? So many people, they say that we have to pay money to lodge an FIR. That is what the complaint comes to me also. But I always tell them that this is not happening in the Thana nowadays. You know, in every police station there is a woman help desk. To address the issue of women, we have kept in every police station a woman help desk. Anybody has gone to a police station? Have you seen the woman help desk?
Yes.
You've seen? Yes. Sir, he's always visiting our police station every now and then because he's a public servant. So anytime happening in his area also, he comes and we are very much in contact also. So this is the way we work. MLA, politician, they are all responsible for our safety. So when we work together, the things becomes easier. Okay. So what is Women Help Desk? Sir have come across the Women Help Desk, but what about the audience from the public? Have you ever gone to the police station and have seen the Women Help Desk in the police station? No? No? LAJUE Help Desk? Fisaha EV? Sora, you know we are having less cases in Sora, no? Not like in other rural area where there are teenagers pregnancy and cohabiting. All these we will come in the later discussions, but now I'm telling about the reporting. What is my main role? Unless and until you report to me the case, I will not be able to investigate, or I will not be able to help you people. So how do you report? Now the first constituents of the public putting me in motion is the FIR. Okay, what is the FIR? It has got a huge value, FIR. How do you file an FIR in the Thana? Has any one of you filed an FIR in the Thana? Huh? Have you found any problem when you go to the Thana to file FIR and all? Do you find any problem? No? Any one of you to us? It takes time for them to help them. So some of them even reported that for getting an FIR we have to pay money. So please come out. This is the platform where you can discuss, so that I learn from you people, because I will be not knowing what is happening in your area unless and until you tell me. So if any of one of you have any issue regarding this filing of FIR, or the police not responding, not cooperating with you, you can please call me. You can take my number and then we will work it out. Another important point is 112. Have you heard of this number, 112? It's an emergency response. How many of you has used this number? No one? Yesterday I came across one case where a woman, she was arrested late midnight at 11:30. That woman, she went to a house and she stole one laptop and a mobile. So we could not arrest her because the law under 14(3) BNNS, it says that you cannot arrest a woman after sunset. Okay, so what to do now? She already stole a laptop, she already stole a mobile, but we cannot arrest her. We cannot take her to the police station. Now what to do? We have other department like the CWC and the social welfare department. We are all coordinating together. So we called the CWC and they arranged a shelter home for us. And that woman, she was kept there till the morning. Today yesterday we forwarded her to the court. So when we took her statement, she told me, Madam, I went to steal because I wanted to stay in the jail. So that was her mentality. So I was so surprised. I was thinking, why did she say this? So I sat with her for a quite long time. Then I asked her, tell me your problem. Maybe I can help you. So, me, Madam, I've been with my husband for the last 15 years. I've served him. I've done my duty as a wife. I have both children. I have got 2 children now. But I never got a peace in my mind. I said, why? Because my husband, he's an alcoholic. Okay? So, and then after he fell ill and he became paralyzed. For the last 4 to 5 years, he was paralyzed. So she have to take care of the husband. Okay? Now she's not financially dependent also. Women have to be independent, financially independent also. To support the family, you have to have financial independence on your own. Now everything is costly. Everything costly. One person will not be able to give a good comfort in the family. The wife and the husband, they should walk together, right? So when I told her, why you are not going you can go for a part-time job also. Then she told me a long story. She told me, Madam, they're not allowing me to go out of the house because they want me to serve the husband, the in-laws. Because no one is there. If they hire a servant, it will take more money. 5,000-6,000 just to take care of the paralyzed husband. So she told me that I have to take care of my husband right from the breakfast till dinner. So she have to be there the whole day. So no freedom. She didn't have any freedom to move. So she was crying and she was telling me this story. Then she told me that had I knew, I took her to a shelter home early in the morning. When I went to meet her, she called me. She laughed and she called me, Madam, please come here. I said, what happened? She told me, Madam, I'm so I find peace of mind today. I said, why? I said, this shelter home has given me a peace of mind. So, in the family, there are many ups and downs, right? I don't think any family will have that complete happiness. सब family में कुछ न कुछ problem है. Okay, but it depends on how you handle those problems. If you don't know how to handle, then it will aggravate it, no? It will become bigger. So today I stand here. We have to be strong. First of all, we have to take care of ourselves. The health issue is the most important thing. We have to be healthy. We have to educate our children, girls, not only girls, even the boys also. We talk of women, of crime against women, but usually we forget the men. Actually, in every awareness program, I always tell my organizer, please call them men, because they are equal in the society. At home, it is the men and the woman who handles the house, who handles the family, right? But we don't give that importance. Sorry for men, there is no other protection also. But I will say in my tenure as a police officer and as a woman in charge of children and women, I find, I'm sorry to say that, but I find that violence, it's not only to women. Violence are men also. They face violence and abuse in their house. Do you stand with me?
Yes.
Because, during my tenure, I feel that why the government is not coming out for men, no? But under the BNNS, you have seen under the BNS, there is a law which protect men also. Okay, so men can take the advantage whenever you are being abused, you can take advantage of that law. At least you feel safe. Men also should feel safe. If a man feels safe at home, at least he can give that safety to the woman he loves, to the children he loves at home. Okay, I don't have much to speak because I have to go for another legal programs also. But I wish from the audience side, if you have any problem, if you have any question to ask, you can please ask so that we can just interact for 2 or 3 minutes. No? Please use this. This is especially for women in distress also. One woman, when I went for awareness program, she was very much thankful to me after 3 years. Then she called me. She said, Madam, I remember that you told me that there is a number called 112. And one day when I was walking through the street, some boys, they were drunk and they caught hold of me. Then I remember your words that you told me that 112. So she dialed 112 and emergency response, the vehicle came within a few minutes and those boys, they were caught red-handed while abusing that lady. So you all people, it is my request, you use this helpline. Use this helpline. Whenever you face a problem, use this helpline. FIR, now the BNS have given you ample opportunity in FIR. You don't have to go to the police station, right? We have the EFIR and we have the zero FIR. Zero FIR, you can sit at home and just online, that FIR will go to our website and it will be registered. You don't have to come to the police station. This is what the central government has done. This government has done a very good job by enforcing this BNS, and in BNS there's so many provision which helps the citizens, not only the citizens, the children and the women. They don't have to come to the police station to lodge a complaint. You just have to do online, zero FIR or the EFIR. Have you heard of this EFIR? Just click to the website and you just fill up those whatever requirement is there, then your FIR is accepted. Yes, for any FIR. And for emergency response, you please, if you find your friends are in trouble, if you find any women, children, especially abandoned children, please help us. I'm also taking care of the children in need of care and protection. We go from street to street, all the vulnerable areas. We conduct patrolling parties. I myself, I used to go for long-range patrolling in my area to identify vulnerable hotspots area and vulnerable areas where we can identify these children, whether these children they need care and protection or not. So we do that. But the police cannot, and like I've said initially, police cannot do it alone. We need your help, we need your cooperations. So in today, it's a great day. We are going to celebrate the Woman Day. I urge each and every woman to come together, work together, be the strength at home, be the strength in society, and you will be the strength in the nation, for the nation also as a whole. So with these words, I wish each and everybody, for me, Women's Day is every day. I celebrate Women's Day every day. Women's Day it's every day. It reminds me that I'm a woman, I'm a mother, I'm a police officer, I'm a sister. Wish everybody a happy Women's Day. And for the men on the podium, I thank you all for supporting all the women and for supporting us, especially today when I see men. I thought maybe men will not be there, but men are here. That means you are more stronger. You are not alone. Even the men are supporting you. So thank you so much. Thank you.